Okay, good morning from Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio. We are doing a video shoot on our brand new introduction here, our 2019 Exiss Mini Exhibitor, single axle. This is a hot little trailer. We're very excited about this trailer. It's 11 foot in length, 6 foot 2 inches high. It is a single axle torsion. The trailer weighs 1,800 pounds. So the space for, and this is the pen system trailer. The place for this trailer in society is for the 4-H family that's just getting started, that doesn't want to spend $20,000+ on a full-blown high-end pen system trailer. They just want something they can run for a couple years, see how the kids do with it, get their, sort of get their feet wet without spending $20,000+. So you're going to notice our same Exiss quality. It's all aluminum construction. It has radial tires, a torsion axle, a 3-year bumper-to-bumper 8-year structural warranty. It is it's a 5,200 pound Dexter torsion axle, so it's got plenty of capacity. You'll notice as we pan around to the back, we've got factory installed plexiglass that comes right out. And we have the 50/50 rear barn door option. Really nice, with a half ramp. So, you're going to notice a 50/50 setup. The trailer has a total of 6 pens inside of it. The pens are set up on 60/40, so you can see that we're 60 on the big side. The theory being that you'll march your animals up in here, and this is your walking lane. And then as you get them in, you just come out and you can create a total of 6 pens. You've got 3 roof vents, a little storage area up here in the front, so the animals can't get to it, for storing your tack, your feed, etc. Notice our inside LED lights. This has the same build quality as the Exhibitor, the big boys. Great little trailer. Wait till I get to the price. You're going to flip out. 6 pens. The beauty of the Exhibitor is that all this stuff comes right out. All these columns and pens removed, so you've got a multi-use trailer. You can use this for livestock, horses, cattle, hay, moving the kids to college, whatever you need to do. It's not a problem. Curbside escape door comes standard with a spare tire. This thing weighs 1,800 pounds. This trailer would be happy to go behind a Ford Explorer, any half-ton thing, and really even minivans. It's 1,800 pounds. Very lightweight, very user-friendly. Brakes on the one axle, does have brakes. List on the trailer is over $15,000. We have these in stock, ready for sale, priced at $11,995 plus tax, if applicable. In stock, ready to go. This is the metallic charcoal color, real pretty. We've got several different colors, and so if you've got any questions, give us a call at 740-592-8000, lancestrailersales.com. Pick up the phone and give us a call.